Good morning, children. Today, again, all of you are welcome in online class 4 of English practice book. Today, we shall study about the worksheet 3. This is your CW. We have learned about masculine and the feminine genders. Let us now understand about the common gender. Remember, some names are common for both the genders. They can be used for both males and females. They are nouns of the common gender. For example, child, doctor. Child may be feminine or it may be masculine, but in the common gender, it is called a child. Doctor. Doctor may be a male and may be a female. If male and female may be a doctor, but in the common they are called a doctor. So these nouns are used for both males and females. They are nouns of the common gender. So they are called common gender. Add a few more to the list. Number A, teacher. Number B, parents. Number C, grandparents. Number D, children. Number E, baby. These are common gender. Now complete the names of the following persons, animals, and write whether they belong to male, female, and common gender. The first one has been done for you. Number 1, a person who paints is a painter. Painter is called common gender. Number 2, a child without parents is called an orphan. It is called common gender. Number 3, a person who lives in the next to yours is your neighbor. It is also common gender. Number 4. Your father's dad is your grandfather. Grandfather is masculine gender. The opposite gender of horse is a mare. Mare is female of a horse. So it is female or feminine gender. Number 6. The opposite gender of nephew is niece. It is female gender. It means feminine gender. Number 7. The person who teaches us is a teacher. Teacher is common gender. Worksheet 4. Miss Parikh is going to tell her students a new story today. But there is a problem. The boys want her to tell them the story of a wizard, while the girls want her to tell them the story of a witch. Miss Parikh thinks of a plan. I tell you a story. I will tell you a story. Change the gender of the nouns in each line, and you can get a story both about the witch and the wizard. Complete the story that the students narrated. The cruel wizard of Usmania, the cruel witch of Usmania. Here you have to change the opposite gender. I am reading both lines one by one. You will understand carefully. Number 1. Once upon a time, there lived a wizard in a jungle. Wizard is masculine gender. In place of wizard, we shall write witch, and rest all the same will happen. I am reading the full sentence. Once upon a time, there lived a witch in a jungle. It is the full sentence of line number 1. Like that, number 2. He was very kind hearted, but his wife was very cruel. Here, in place of he, we shall write she. In place of his wife, we shall write her husband. And rest will be the same. And the sentence will be like that. She was very she was very cruel hearted, but her husband was very kind. Here, the opposite of kind is cruel, and the opposite of cruel is kind. Will be. So, she was very kind. In place of very kind, it will be she was very cruel. But his wife, in place of but his wife, we shall write but her husband was very cruel. In place of cruel, it will be kind. But her husband was very kind. Number 3. The wizard would always help everyone who was in trouble. The wizard, in place of the wizard, we shall write witch. The opposite of wizard is witch. Would always help everyone who was in trouble. Here the opposite gender of wizard is witch. And number 4. The witch with her magic wand caused problems for the people. Here, in place of witch, we shall write the wizard, or in place of her, we shall write his. So, the sentence will be the wizard will, with his magic wand, cause problems for the people. Number 5. One day the Emperor of Afghanistan and the Duke of Kent were. Here we shall write one day the Empress of Afghanistan and the Duchess of Kent were. Number 6. Passing through the jungle on their horses. Passing through the jungle on their mares. Number 7. The witch saw them coming and thought to herself. The wizard saw them coming and thought to himself. Number 8. Let me trouble them and steal their peacocks. He Let me trouble them and steal their peahens. Number 9. The wizard heard her and decided to help the travelers. The witch heard him and decided to help the travelers.